Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we are going to be going over XRP. We're going to go ahead and go over a price analysis for XRP. Last week, we had talked about XRP and where it's going. We're going to recover the actual analysis that we went over then, and then we are going to look at where it is going to go next. After that, we'll look at the live charts and we'll determine what's going to happen this week. And then we'll also go ahead and take a look at the Vortex score from Coin Markets Pro. So XRP Army, here we go. All right, so here we have the analysis for XRP USDT. The bulls pushed XRP above the 88-cent resistance line on May 24th, suggesting the start of a relief rally. The bears tried to sink the price back below 88 cents on May 25th, but failed. And this indicates the bulls are trying to flip the 88 cents to support. So let's take a look at this chart here. All right, so as you can see here on the daily chart, this one zoomed in. This is the downtrend line of the descending triangle, and it definitely has been in a downtrend. Right now, the 20 EMA is also sloping down, and the 50 EMA is starting to even out. So you can see here, it's just starting to flatten out. It was on a nice trajectory, but when this crossed over, obviously the 50 moving average started to slope down as well. As far as price goes, after it hit the resistance line of our descending triangle, it had a major pullback that day. The next day it tried to pull back up, and then we had those 3 consecutive down days over the last couple of days. Then this week we had a nice rally. It started to pump back up. It did break above that 88-cent mark. It actually remained above it, but these are really indecision candles. There's no real decision being made there. However, the only positive thing is the candle for today's candle, it is fully engulfing yesterday's candle. So a little bit of positive news there. The RSI on the daily was at 42.28. So that is not good either. It's getting really close to the bottom down here of 30, which would then put it at the oversold department. And then we're talking about a potential rebuy. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go and take a look at the live charts here in just a minute, but let's read a little bit more about the analysis on XRP on the daily. So the XRP USDT pair could rally to the 20-day EMA of $1.19, which is likely to act as a stiff resistance. If the price turns down from this resistance, the bears will again try to break the 88-cent support. If they manage to do that, the pair could retest the May 23rd low of 65 cents. And if this support also cracks, the pair could extend the decline to 56 cents. And that's what we talked about last week. A lot of the signs with the Fibonacci were lining up to show that it might be coming back to that 0.79 on the Fibonacci was about 56, 55 cents. Conversely, though, if the bulls can successfully defend that 88-cent support during the next dip, the pair could rise above the moving averages and rally to the downtrend line. A breakout of this resistance could start the next leg of the up move, and that's what we're looking for over the next couple of days. So we need some positive volume coming in. We need to break above that 88-cent line, and we need to continue moving back up to the resistance of the downtrend. So remember, the resistance of the downtrend, which is here, if it's going to continue on the same trajectory, I mean, we're looking out over here, depending on how many days it takes to get over there, you know, we're looking at $1.40 to $1.50 on that trajectory. So depending on how fast we boost that up there. So the first move that we're looking for is that the price comes up to $1.19, breaks through the 20 EMA, which is this line right here, the blue line, right? So we want to break through the 20 EMA. After that, we then needed to break through the 50 moving average, and then we needed to break through the descending triangle. So let's go ahead and take a look at the live charts. All right, so here we have the daily chart for TradingView, where we have it all marked up. And with this specific markup, you can see that it actually came down and tapped off of the 200 moving average. And what we were talking about is it may come all the way back to the 0.79 Fibonacci level, which is right here. which is the 55, 56 cent mark. It came very close once already. It looks like it tried to rebound, but now it is bouncing off of that 50% Fibonacci level, and it's starting to fall back down again. So looking like what's going to happen is we're going to have a double tap, right? So this is the first tap. This is going to come back down. So if you're looking here, this was tap number one, which is the first pullback. Then we're going to look at it just bumped off of that 50%. It's going to come back down, probably going to head down to that 56, 55 cent mark. And then after that, it should be able to then continue up on its next leg of the up move. But if we also take a more short-term look at the Fibonacci and we take it from the most recent symmetrical triangle that we're looking to break back through, right now we broke below the support line and it actually went down, like we've talked about, to the 200. Looking like it's going to be coming back down a little bit more. So it may tap the 200 again, or it may go down to that Fibonacci spot. So how do you determine where the Fibonacci beginning should be? Well, it's the most recent low, which is the recent low here, right here, to the most recent high here. And that is where we're at. Okay. So we are still, like we just talked about, that 56 cents, 55 cent mark is where we could potentially see XRP going in the very near future. With the short term, you can see right here, the 20 moving average is sloping down hard. The 50 moving average is starting to slope down. And then the 200 moving average is also starting to flatten out. RSI in the negative territory. And if we turn on our moving average RSI strategy, it is currently in a sell signal as well, which that sell signal came in on May 19th. So it's been not great for XRP since May 19th. Now let's take a look on a shorter time frame. We're going to go to the 4-hour time frame, and that will give us a better idea of if there's a positive correction coming or if it is going to continue going down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and remove the Fibonacci there, and we're going to go ahead and turn off the signals there because obviously there's a lot more action going on in the 4-hour. So this was our original price that we were talking about earlier. That was our price sensitivity zone. And we were hoping that it was going to bounce back off of that a couple of times. And then this one right here, when it hit that resistance, it really fell out from there. And that's where we were in a little bit of a situation, right? So now we're just holding on for dear life, as we all know, because we want this to move back up. So if we take the Fibonacci from the most recent low, which is here, to our most recent high, which is here. So now we have our low and our high marked off. And here is the 50% level, which is at 85 cents. And then the 7.9 level is down here at 75 cents. So on the shorter time frame, it's actually looking better for us because we also have the RSI right here at a 50. So it's back to the middle zone there. Also, the moving average is starting to slope up a little bit, but it looks like they're all about to converge right here. So we're actually at a really important decision point right here for all of the traders, right? So where is the market going to move with XRP? Is it going to break back down? And if it does break back down, it's going to come back down to the 30 area of the RSI. And that usually is a deeper dip than the previous one. It's going to come out and clear out some seller side liquidity before it takes its next move up. But on the positive side, let's take a look at where it could be going in the future as we continue to hold. All right, so to look at the future long term, we're going to jump back to the daily. We're going to take it from the most recent bottom, most recent top. And instead of looking in here where the buy section is and all of that, which it is kind of in the buy territory here, which would be the 55 to 65, 67 cent mark. But we want to know where it's going next. So where it is going next when the rally starts back up is going to be $2.80 all the way up to $3.70. So those are the two next major moves to happen, because the move from here to here, a half measured move from that is going to take us to $2.81. So short term, meaning a month or so, maybe even quicker if we can have some momentum build back into crypto. Right now, people are a little scared. They're freaking out because of the flash crash. But if we can get some momentum and some volume pumping back in, very soon, we could definitely look at $2.81. I mean, really what we want to see this happen is we get this rebound going and we break through that $2 mark, because that is the next psychological barrier, which is a major, major turning point for XRP and all of the holders, because it's been a long time since it's been at that price range. If we go back in time, I mean, the last time that it was above $2 was all the way back in January of 2018, when it went up and made its new all-time high, which was $3.28. So hopefully that is coming for us very, very soon. The charts right now are not looking very powerful. Unless you are looking for entry points, it's looking great, right? So, I mean, in reality, this is definitely an entry point. Let's go take a look at the Vortex score. Now, also, this is not financial advice. This is just financial entertainment. So what I'm gonna do right here, this is CoinMarkets-Pro. This is the dashboard here, but I wanted to show you guys the scanner. So right now, the highest, most pumped coin right now is Holochain. It's got the highest score of 86. But if you take a look at this scanner here, so right now you got Holochain, Kusama, Telcoin, Cody, Waves, Venus, Pancake Swap, Voyager token, Elron, Synthetics, Aave, and the Sandbox. So those are the 75 and up. And remember, anything 65 or up is positive, but when they're up this high, that is always a good sign. That means tons of volume, tons of news, everything coming together. But we're gonna go ahead and check this out. We just got a Venus Vortex score, just hit an 81. We're gonna go look at XRP. All right, so here we have XRP right now. We got $45 billion worth of market cap. We are currently trading at $5 billion in the last 24 hours. It's down 55%. Tweets are down as well. Nothing in the news lately. Partnerships, SEC blocks overseas partners from commenting on Ripple lawsuit. Price analysis, which is what we're going over right now. And that is where we're at. So we're at 97 cents. We have a 62 Vortex score. It is trending up though, because look at this. Just the beginning of yesterday was 50 and then ran nicely up to 64. So positive momentum coming into XRP. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. This is not financial advice, but if you're looking for an entry point, this is not a horrible one. However, I would wait to see if it does come back on the daily down to that 55, 56, that is going to be a stellar entry if you're looking to get into XRP. So if you guys are looking for ways to make money online, so that way you can generate some capital to pump into crypto, my number one way is at winwithryan.com. Just go to winwithryan.com. And when you get to winwithryan.com, all you have to do is enter your full name, your email address, and your phone number, and then you click here to get access. This also allows you to join the Make Money newsletter, where we announce the contest winner every single month for the $100 contest winner. Once you hit click here to get access, it takes you over to the thank you page, just me saying thank you, and we really look forward to you joining our team. After that, you just click right here to join my team, and that's all you have to do. All right, thank you guys for watching XRP Army. Good luck out there, guys. Talk to you later.